In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone else the host in Google Meet. If you've ever found yourself needing to pass on hosting duties to another participant so they can manage the meeting, then this tutorial is exactly what you need. We'll guide you through the process using Google Calendar, ensuring that everything's set seamlessly for your upcoming meeting. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser and go to the Google homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a grid, or what some call the waffle icon. This is Google Apps. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu displaying a variety of Google services. From this list, find and select Google Calendar. Now that you're in Google Calendar, navigate to the specific day your meeting is scheduled. Click on that day to open the event creation screen. Here, you'll need to name your meeting, which will help keep everything organized and easy to identify later. After naming your meeting, it's time to add participants. Locate the Add Guests section on the right side of the Event Details page. Click on it and type in the email address of the person you want to invite. This is a crucial step, as the person you want to make the host needs to be invited to the event for you to transfer hosting privileges. Once you've entered the email, Google will suggest matching contacts. Simply select the guest from the list that appears. With your guest list sorted, you can now save these details. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the event window, and click it to ensure your changes are confirmed. Next, we want to revisit the meeting entry you just created. Go to the day of the meeting on your calendar once again, and this time, click on the specific meeting title you've saved earlier. You'll notice an options menu, often represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Click on it and you'll find various controls for managing your meeting. In the drop-down options, look for an option that says Change Owner. This is how you pass the hosting baton. Click on this option and you will be prompted to search for the new owner. You can either type in their email address or select from the list of people you've already invited. Once you've identified the new host, click Change Owner once more. And that's it. You've successfully transferred hosting privileges to another participant in your Google Meet. This can be incredibly useful for ensuring that your meeting continues seamlessly even if you can't be there. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Google Meet sessions effortlessly.